Okay na? Ay, yung Beatles eh.
Ay, yung may candlestick, okay.
Yeah, wala kang sabihin history eh.
Ay, ito maganda, may mga lumalabas na yung bahay. This is San Francisco.
Kasi ang gagawin kong title mamaya, Streets of San Francisco.
Oh, Candlestick Park, yes.
Yeah. Combine mo yan.
Yung una yung complaint eh.
Combine mo yan.
Ah, ito maganda yung mga bahay sa gilid. Parang Mexico City lang.
Parang Mexico City, no? Ayun, itong part na yan, si Dirt, oh. Ito.
Ah, parang naalala ko. Parang Baguio.
Dito, ayan. Oh.
Yeah, kita ka na.
Yan, yung entry to San Francisco.
Nakita ko yung Coit Tower. May fog lang eh.
We're entering San Francisco.
Oh, wow.
So, we go to the right, no? To exit?
Exit ka na raw eh. Ah, hindi. To the left pala. Kailangan maintain mo yung left eh.
Stay to the left to US 101 north towards Civic Center.
Kaya mo bumalik?
Okay, reroute naman yan eh. Traffic eh.
Wala. Too late na. Wala na.
Ayaw mo yun?
Malilate tayo kayo dyan na.
Hindi, yung ganyan, no?
Going to I-280 North.
Chavez Street siya ito.
In 2.3 miles, exit to 6th Street.
6th Street siya.
Makinig ka.
Ganda nga ano ito eh. Ito maganda yung freeway si Lord. Yung video mo itong overpass na yan.
Maganda nga, nakita ko eh.
Alisin mo muna yung ano eh, yung shade.
Tanggalin mo, nakakasama eh.
6th Street eh.
Hindi kayo nagko-cooperate ah. Yung videographer, sinabi na nga eh. Ah, sinabi na 6th Street. 1.9 miles ah.
Tanda mo pag may Google Map ka, magre-reroute lahat dyan.
Ayun yung Coit Tower na sa kaliwa eh.
Yung ganda yung mga ganyan building.
Puro mga ano lang eh, construction lang. Classic.
Yan, skyline sir. Puro may skyline.
May smog din pala sa San Francisco. Nakita mo yung may usok no? Madumi din ang hangin nila.
In 1 mile, use the right 2 lanes to exit right to 6th Street.
So kung may skyline na yan, ito.
Nakita ko nung
Skyline.
Kailangan daw kumana ka, 0.8 miles na lang eh.
Nakita ko.
Exit ka na tayo. Right lane. Ah, magta-turn right tayo.
Skyline, yan ang maganda.
Okay.
Yun.
Ito na yung 6th Street eh.
Ganda, di ba? Look at that. Yeah.
0.3, malapit na. Ah, nakita mo yung sign 6th Street, follow mo yan.
I saw it.
Yan yung sign. Pasok ka dyan. Magta-turn right tayo eh.
Ganda ng dating.
Exit right to 6th Street.
Ito yung Kaiser Permanente oh. Parang naalala ko yung Baguio sa left side, yung mga bahay. Ito elevated
Wow,
eh.
look at this. There's the skyline. Yeah.
Maganda nga actually.
See?
Hindi ko tinitigil yung record
Ito,
eh.
magandang site. There's the skyline. Yeah.
Ah, ang ganda
San
nga.
Francisco.
Kitang-kita mo ano.
We're entering downtown San Francisco. Yeah.
1.5 miles continuous straight.
Stop na si Art.
Magandang angle to. The gasoline here is $5.39 a gallon. Yeah. Nakikita ko. This is really cheap for San Francisco price.
Saan to video mo si Art? Sa gitna, yung kalye. In the middle. Yan.
Ang dami mo na nakatakotse, no? Kanina pa eh.
Dito si Art, yan. Sa gitna.
I think graffiti sa kanan eh. May graffiti doon. Awesome street.
Stop. Okay. Straight ba tayo? Ilang miles pa, Jojo?
1 mile, continuous straight.
Right, left. After that.
Walang sinabi eh.
Kaya ako.
Kala ni Miley, tapos na siya.
Kala ko rest dito.
Yung Jojo, mga homeless, ah.
Oh, ito, skid. Nasa Tenderloin area ta. Yeah, we're near the Tenderloin area here. See all the homeless people.
I will leave
here.
my brother here with the homeless. He wants to join the homeless in San Francisco.
Yeah, and
He is a Biden supporter.
yeah, right. That's why that's why he is a yeah, this is Chinatown, yeah.
Are you sure?
Na-miss natin, parang ito nga, may gate eh.
Ah,
I think we're near Chinatown
I missed
here.
that part.
Yeah. Yeah, we're may mga Chinese characters na.
Bayani yan, may Pilipino na.
Oh yeah. Oh, maybe this is Filipino town, yeah.
Did you video here? Yeah. Ito yung homeless.
I'm sorry, this is Asia town. I keep changing here. Mission Boulevard, yeah. We're in the Tenderloin, yeah. This is the third and Tenderloin area. Ah, nandito yung Senior Sisig, malapit dito.
So ito, sa gitna si Art, ito.
Bayanihan House is a shelter home.
Yeah. Ito, yan, Golden Gate. Golden Gate.
Kinuunan ko na.
That's a classic building, Golden Gate.
Continue ko.
Yeah.
Napansin ko lang, malakas kumain ng battery yung recorder ko, yung camera ko. Nag-ubos ka agad yung battery.
This one's nice, yeah.
Mabuti na testing ko na.
Yung building niya si Art, yung matangkad. Yeah.
Ay, nakita ko mataas nga, no?
That's a classic
Kunan ko.
That's a classic building, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that building.
Nakikita ko yun sa movies, eh. Streets of San Francisco.
Yeah, look at that tall building, yeah.
Michael Douglas.
In half a mile, continue on Taylor Street.
Okay.
Streets of San Francisco.
Uy. Grabe itong driver na to. Yeah. Oh, there's a homeless guy, yeah. Oh, that building is really high.
So, pero ng video, sir. Isang, naka-stop naman ako, eh.
Ang bibigay.
Pero lang. Sir, dito lang yung spot na yun.
Ang bibigay.
Maganda yung shot dito, eh.
Okay na, walang bibigay.
Tangin na yan.
No exceptions, okay? Oh, LGBT, yeah.
Ito na, ano tuloy, nasira. Taras ka din kung lukulukan to.
Ay, go na eh. Go forward.
Pinatay ko. Relax. Streets of San Francisco.
Oh, this is the next door. May app na yan, ang tawag next. This is the next door app. This is their building. So if you join the next door, go straight. Yeah. Now we're going uphill.
You cannot speed here. You're not supposed to speed. Tirahin mo pa ito, sir, yung paakyat.
Stop ulit ah.
Papas. Really?
Oo, Kedyon yan.
Oh, this is the Warwick Hotel, the famous Warwick Hotel. And we're on the corner of Geary and Taylor. Geary and Taylor here. And go ka na.
Akin na.
Continue. Go.
Akin
Go.
na.
Hindi, hinandre ko. Maatras eh. Maatras.
Okay.
Kasi paakyat eh.
Nagtataka video ka, nahirapan lang nga yung kotse. Ano ka ba? We're at the corner of Taylor and Pine Street. Taylor and Pine.
Sure to. Lalap na ako rito?
375 feet pa, doon pa sa dulo eh.
Ah,
Ako kuna ko na pangit yung video yun. Sa akin mas maganda. May Catholic church ako. Talo ko si Bobot. Ayaw niya magpatalo. Pasa mga sa akin yung telepono, Mylot.
Ang hirap mag-travel pala, dalawang bata. Dalawang lalaki.
Turn right on
bata
Jones
pa.
Street.
Turn right on Jones Street. Yeah. Makinig ka yan. Blocking ko yung view mo. Look at the sign of the cable car here. Return like on Jones Street. Alam ko kayo, nakuna ko na yung historic building. Walang mananalo sa akin. Ano, nadaig ka, no? Ang ganda pa ng camera ko, yung first class pa.
Lord, next time, I will travel na
ito
lang
pala
In a
yung
quarter of a
Nobhill.
mile,
with adults.
So
turn
this is
left
the
on
Nob.
Broadway.
Ayoko mag-babysit.
Puta, na-video ko na.
Yan ang maganda.
175 feet na. Itong stop sign, turn
Turn
left
left on
on
Broadway.
We turn left on Broadway. This is Broadway. We're turning left on Broadway. Let's see. Turn left.
Ganda ng view.
Oh, this one is the best.
Oh, yeah. This is a good view.
In a quarter of a mile,
Nice.
turn
yeah.
right on Larkin Street.
Sa pero ano lang. Ito yung tumagandang view.
This is really nice, yeah. Look at
Oh,
the
don't drive,
houses
ha?
here.
Binababa ko.
Dahan
Ay, naku,
lang.
Ed, I will do it.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Russian Hill.
We are near Russian Hill.
No, we're in the Russian Hill.
Oh, we are on the Russian Hill, yeah. Turn left
Turn
on
right on
Larkin.
Larkin Street.
Ay, ito na
Then
yung...
turn left on Vallejo Street.
This is Larkin Street. We turn right
Right
here.
turn only.
Larkin.
Oh, na yung taxi mo dyan.
Ngayon pala kumukuha. Si Bobo tayo magpatalo.
Ito yung Starbucks ah.
Nakipag-contest pa.
Ito yung Starbucks dyan tayo
Dyan tayo.
nag-Japanese sa kabila.
Tama. Yeah.
Di pa tayo nagsa-Starbucks.
Kaya magta-turn left na tayo.
Yan yung Japanese.
Ito na yung hotel niya, malapit na. Bilis-bilis mo.
Ayan, relax.
May Pete's Cafe pa eh.
Ah,
Mas maganda rin, oh.
Oo, masarap yun.
Mediterranean.
Oo.
Healthy yan.
Yeah.
maraming kainan dito.
May Pete's Cafe.
This is nice.
Bus.
This is a nice neighborhood, yeah.
Bagel meat.
So kunin mo nga yung bus sa kaliwa.
Turn right on Broadway. Broadway na yan
Kunin mo
eh.
yung bus sa kaliwa.
Turn right on Broadway.
Okay, turn right on Broadway. Bilisan mo.
Right on Broadway.
Yeah, may tumatawid. Sandali.
100 feet. Turn right on Franklin Street.
Ay, ito na.
Then turn
Dumiretso ka na. Ito na yung parking. Okay.
Oo.
Huwag mo nang pakinggan itong putangin na ito. Dumating na tayo. Maglalakad na itong... Ilang minutes pa sa Marina? Ilang minutes?
30 minutes po.
We're at the Marina Green. We're about to meet the triathlon finishers. They just finished the swimming, cycling, and running. Okay, wait.
Parang hindi na tayo nag-ano.
Hindi, pero ayokong ano,
Hindi tayo maghiwalay.
So we're gonna meet our brother-in-law here who finished the triathlon.
Nandito lang daw siya kasi isusoli niya.
Oh
So,
yeah, they're
susoli
returning.
niya yung
They're returning the bike rentals. Yeah. So he should be here on this line. Yeah. Let's find him. Yeah. He's on this long line. Possible na sa harapan na siya. Tingnan natin.
Doon daw sa near the escape eh.
Dalawa yung nagre-return, dalawang line. Yeah. You can't seem to find them, so. Oh, here's at the end of the line. Okay.
Pwede mo kami kunan?
Yeah. Okay. So we found them. Jerome is here.
She was fifth yesterday.
Oh, here are the
in the top 10.
different
Let's give
food
these ladies
trucks
a nice
here.
round of applause. They're going to be presenting
Oh, yeah,
awards
here.
with us here today.
Oh, the awards. Talking about the awards here.
So my name is Mike Waddy. You've probably heard my voice over the PA over the course of this morning. I was joined by Andy Potts on the City Cruises San Francisco Bell as Andy imparted wisdom to you to calm you down, calm those nerves, as well as give you the best tips. As a six-time champion, he can impart wisdom that I certainly can't, but I have been fortunate enough to welcome him to the finish line many times here in first place. So on June 12, 1962, 3 inmates managed to break out of the supposedly escape-proof maximum security federal penitentiary known as Alcatraz Island. Today, participants got to relive that day without the repercussion as they made their escape from Alcatraz and were able to showcase their skills in swimming, biking, and running. On behalf of IMG and the entire Escape from Alcatraz triathlon team, we want to thank you for participating in the 2024 Escape from Alcatraz Triathlon. We also want to express a sincere thank you to our sponsors for which their support make this event possible. Arrowhead Waters, our official water and sparkling water sponsor. Amazfit, the official outdoor smartwatch sponsor. Humango, the official digital coaching sponsor. Kitbricks, the official bag sponsor. Ufos, our official footwear sponsor.
And this is the Waymo
SF Travel, the official travel
Jaguar
sponsor. Unlimited Biking, our official
driverless
bike
car.
rental sponsor. SF Chronicle,
all the
which is our
sensors
official
here.
news media sponsor.
Close up of the Waymo.
On our charity partners, I want to give a big shout out to the American Cancer Society. Two round of applause.
Okay, here's the
And our corporate
Alcatraz
division is Sports
Island
Basement
here.
Presidio. Let's give them a nice round of applause.
Alcatraz here. And that's the
And
the Golden
winner
Gate
is,
Bridge.
And they'll get to defend it next year. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of our Corporate Escape Challenge, Sports Basement.
And there's the event happening with the Waymo car parked here near the food trucks. Here.
And the oldest competitor today, ladies and gentlemen, in second place, please make some noise for Ed Blumenstock.
Ah, yeah.
Ed is 81 years young. Showing us the right way to do it. Way to go, Ed.
Where did he go? I'm gonna stop recording. And this is the souvenir shop where you can buy all the shirts and clothing memorabilia for the commemorating that escape from Alcatraz triathlon here.
Actually, right now, okay. Di ba uwi ka ng hotel? Yeah. Tutulog ka?